In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Ask Permission on the App Store. If you're seeing prompts that require someone to approve your downloads, here's why. You're likely using a child's Apple ID that's part of a family sharing group. In family sharing, a feature called Ask to Buy is automatically turned on for family members under 18. That means app downloads and in-app purchases need approval from a parent or the family organizer. One important note before we start, this setting cannot be changed from the child's device when it's signed in with the child's account. Only the parent or family organizer can turn it off, and they must do so while signed in with their Apple ID. Begin by making sure the iPhone you're using is signed in with the parent or family organizer's Apple ID. The quickest way to confirm is to open Settings and look at the name displayed at the top. If you see the child's name there, you'll need to switch to the organizer's account before continuing. This ensures you have the right permissions to make changes to family controls. Next, from the main settings screen, tap the name at the top to open your Apple ID settings. Here, find and tap Family Sharing. This is the central place where all family-related settings live, including purchase sharing and parental controls. If family sharing isn't visible, double-check that you're signed in with the correct Apple ID and that family sharing is actually set up for your family group. Inside Family Sharing, you'll see a list of family members. Select the child's account you want to manage. On the child's page, look for Ask to Buy and tap it. You'll see an option called Require Purchase Approval. Toggle this off. You may be asked to authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your device passcode to confirm the change. Once Ask to Buy is turned off, the child will be able to download and purchase apps from the App Store without needing approval. Keep in mind, purchases made by the child may still be billed to the family organizer's payment method, depending on your family sharing settings. If you ever want to turn approvals back on, just return to the same Ask to Buy screen and toggle it on again. It's a good idea to review spending preferences and discuss boundaries with your child so everyone's on the same page. And that's it. Ask to Buy is now disabled and app downloads will no longer be interrupted. If this tutorial helped, give the video a like and subscribe for more helpful App Store tips and walkthroughs.